Hello, friends. We welcome you to the Legal Breeze. In this video, we would like to speak about Chandrayaan and Thirukkural, to be precise. You may ask, what is that Thirukkural has to do with Chandrayaan? Yes, certainly it's a wonder, but let me tell you, the Tamil classical literature has a greater reference about not only the moon, that is the lunar science, what we call it today, about the entire solar family, extraterrestrial bodies, extra celestial bodies, universe, extra a galaxy, many things they have spoken about. They had very extraordinary understanding of all these astronomical sciences is concerned. But as far as Thirukkural is concerned, there are three references, to the best of my knowledge, has been made to moon. I'll come back to that references little later. But if you know about, you all know there is an epic called Silapadigaram. It says, ஞாயிறை போற்றுதும் ஞாயிறை போற்றுதும் திங்களை போற்றுதும் திங்களை போற்றுதும். See, they are referring both Kannagi and Kovalan as sun and moon, respectively. They say, praise the sun god, praise the sun god, praise the moon god, praise the moon god. It shows the significance of the solar signs, the presence of sun god, the blessings of sun god and moon god to the entire planet of Earth and the solar family per se. Now, let us come back to this Thirukkural is concerned. As I have told you, there are three references in Thirukkural. One is something called Nirai Ner Madi, something like that. It simply says that there are, when the good friendship means it will start from a downward movement, but it will develop as a full-fledged moon, something like that. So, from bottom up approach is the good one. On the other hand, if the friendship is bad, in the short term it may look very bright, but it will go down and dip to the zero, and finally there is no relevance at all. It compares the good friendship and bad friendship, something like that. The friendship with the knowledgeable people and those who do not have knowledge, something like that. That is one reference. What it shows that the lunar cycle is known in those days. This is what this particular Qural is telling us. The next one is very, very important. It can be linked even to the climate change, all other things. This is not only dealing with the earth things, but it is also dealing with the law of the sea, ocean science, something like that. It simply says like this: மதியும் மடந்தை முகனும் padiyir ariya kalangiya மீன், meaning the sea-based living species including fish couldn't understand the difference between the brightness of a girl's face and the brightness of the moonlight. Therefore, they got frightened or they got confused. That's it. There is a sea change. There is a impact. Today, it is happening because of the climate change. Lot of sea-based species. There are a lot of changes in their habitat. There is an impact in their biodiversity, distribution of all those things. So this is a very significant one, though it looks like something very romance. It is not at all. It's not at all. தமிழில் சொல்லணும்னா என்ன சொல்கிறாருன்னா வள்ளுவர் இதில், கடல்வாழ் மீன்கள் மங்கையின் முகத்தில் இருந்து வரும் ஒலிக்கும் நிலவின் ஒலிக்கும் வித்தியாசம் தெரியாமல் கலங்கி போயினன்னு சொல்கிறாரு. டிஸ்டார்டட், குழப்பம் அடைந்தது. இன்னைக்கு லாட் ஆஃப் ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல் ரேடியேஷன் அதர் விஷயங்கள் நம்ம டெக்னாலஜியால் ஏற்பட்டிருக்கு. இது வந்து மிகப்பெரிய தாக்கத்தை ஏற்படுத்துகின்றது. ஸோ கிளைமேட் சேஞ்சுக்கு இதை விட பெஸ்ட்டாக வந்து ஃபோர்ஸீ பண்ணியிருக்க முடியுமா, அதை ப்ரெடிக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்க முடியுமா, அதோட இம்பேக்டை சொல்லியிருக்க முடியுமானா டவுட்ஃபுல். ஸோ தட் இஸ் வாட் திஸ் பர்டிகுலர் குரல் இஸ் அச்சீவிங். Please remember, he goes one step further in adoring the women is concerned and the womanhood is concerned. That is Kural number 1118. It says, மாதர் முகம் போல் ஒளிவிட வல்லையேல் காதல் வாழிய மதி. It means the brightness of this moon is not constant. There is an ups and down. Above all, there is a strain in the moon. There is a pollution in the moon. If the moon is able to overcome these ups and downs and these strains, then only the moon is entitled to the to the extent of love and affection or respect which is shown to the women. தமிழில் சொல்லணுன்னா, பெண்களின் முகமானது ஒளிமிக்கது. அது நிலவை போல் தேய்வதற்கும் வளர்வதற்கும் உட்பட்டதல்ல, நிலையானது. மேலும் கரைபடியாதது, மாசற்றது. இந்த மாசற்ற தன்மை, கரைபடியா தன்மை மற்றும் இந்த வளர்தல் தேய்தல் ஆகிய இந்த குணங்களை பெண்களிடமிருந்து நிலவு பெருமே ஆயின், பெண்களுக்கு ஈக்குவலாக, பெண்களுக்கு சமமான மரியாதையும் காதலையும் பெறுவதற்கு இந்த நிலவு தகுதி உடையது என்று வள்ளுவர் இதில் கூறுகிறார். This is very, very great. Now, what it shows, today we all speak about pollution in space, extra spatial territories, all these things. But how it is feasible around 2000 plus years ago, he is able to point out there is a strain, there is a pollution, all these things. And above all, the earth could have been free from pollution, because otherwise today you would have seen lot of ads that the moment the girl is going out, she is able to in order to safeguard her face from the pollution, she used to use lot of chemicals. All these ads you would have come across. So that is not there during those days. The earth is free from pollution and girls are very free from those things. They are not subjected to any strain. That means they are very straightforward, upright and very bright. But the moon is not like that. There is a song in Tamil cinema song. It says simply, நாளும் நிலவது வளருது தேயுது நங்கை முகமென யாரதை சொன்னது. This is very important because this is subjected to ups and downs. Whereas the brightness of the women is not such a thing. It's very constant, it is very upright, and it is more proven. So therefore, all these things have been capsulated and very much captured and enlightened in those Tamil literature. Today, Tamils have also immensely contributed to this Chandrayaan. There are 3 Tamil scientists like Veeramuthuvel, Vanitha ma'am, and one more gentleman, I couldn't remember the name. If you are able to find out, please put his name and the Thirukkural which I have cited, which I couldn't cite it to you fully, put the same in the comments box. I like to thank my entire team who is assisting me in this process of carrying forward this journey is concerned. Thank you all. God bless you. Jai Hind.